This video will demonstrate how to use a virtual classroom. The virtual classroom is HTML5 based, which means it works on all browsers. The virtual classroom has two areas where you can communicate with your tutor. On the right is the chat area. The large white area is the whiteboard where you can draw and type to communicate with your tutor. On the bottom of the screen are our whiteboard tools. We will review the essential whiteboard tools. This is file sharing. Click here to exchange files with your tutor. You can share various files such as Word, Excel, PowerPoints, text, PDFs, and JPGs. You can also quickly share files with your tutor by dragging them into the whiteboard. You can free draw and write with the pencil. Eraser erases anything done on the whiteboard. T is for typing. You can type anywhere on the whiteboard. This is the equation tool for easily placing mathematical equations on the whiteboard. These are superscript and subscript tools. Click on the T icon to go back to regular typing after using the superscript or subscript tool. This is to paste images on the whiteboard. To use it, you'll need to use your computer's snipping or screenshot tool. After you copy the image, click on the whiteboard. Then click the Paste tool to share the image with your tutor. Click on the font to change the font style and size. This button is for scientific symbols. You can create straight lines with the Line button. All the shapes are completely resizable, and you can place them anywhere on the whiteboard. Here you will also find the number line and graphing tools. To change the number intervals, put in the minimum and maximum numeric values. Color palette is for changing the color of anything done on the whiteboard. This is the Undo button. It will undo the last item entered on the whiteboard. The X button will clear the entire whiteboard. To the right of the chat area are a few emoticons you could use when chatting with your tutor. This concludes the How to Use a Virtual Classroom. Thank you for watching.